I got my pen. I got my apple. Pineapple pen. Apple pen. Ngayon na guys, nagluluto tayo ng lunch time. Apple pen. Pineapple pen. Alright, let's go by Country Boy Magic. Make a love shout out to you. Hello, how are you, boy? How are you? Thank you for coming. We're gonna take cooking time. Thank you guys. And lagyan natin ng oil. Pineapple pen. Thank you, Country Boy. Ilagyan natin ang sweetie, guys. You know, it's good to eat. Thanks, my friend. Good morning. Yan, Mandawi, make a love shout out to you. Yan, actually guys, lagyan natin.
Ya, wait, hindi. Ano, nakaluwag yun. Meron po ng basket.
Ano yan?
Anak mo tayo pa short. Hindi ka makatali kayo mo. Kami yung kanil mo buling diyan na lugar kanil. Ito pa rin basket.
Yow! Thank you. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening guys sa buong mundo. Welcome sa ating channel. Luluto tayo. Sweaty guys, or anato seed. Yan guys. Lang guys ha. Alright. Lagyan natin ang bawang at sibuyas nyan guys. Bawang. Onion. You know, shout out kay Rosalie Mandawi.